Hi, I represent you EtherScore, which is a decentralized reputation system. The problem we identified is our blockchain are lacking native users' profiles, and because of this, Web3 is very limited. Here are some examples of reputation system in Web2, and we can see that it is applied to a lot of different aspects, such as forums, social networks, video games, etc. But in Web3, the only reputation is accessible by digging into the data and into the transaction. It is very complex and not really understandable for the humans. That's why we bring the solution of building some Web3 reputations as NFT badges, or recently called soulbound tokens. The idea is to analyze and enrich the blockchain data and giving the ability for the users to build their own on-chain reputation. So first we have to define the badge condition, for example having performed 10 swap on Uniswap and having voted in 5 DAO proposals. Then we publish those badges as NFTs to make them interoperable across all dApps, and then the dApps simply have to reward those badge holders by distributing any incentive such as discount or any exclusive access. The EtherScore protocol is composed of a smart contract solution providing open insurance for customizable badges. So we are relying on Oracle to query our data sources to make the solution as decentralized as possible. Here is a proof of concept. So in the video we can see a user claiming the badge the trader because he has done more than 50 swap on Uniswap. EtherScore badges are applicable to any blockchain sector such as DeFi, social networks, NFT and arts and DAOs, but for the context of Metaverse we can think about the gaming aspects and any data which can enrich the avatar, the digital avatar. The core team is composed of me and Geoffrey, and we are both French blockchain researchers interested in decentralization for public good. The EtherScore customers are the dApps which will issue their badges to gamify and incentivize community engagement, and the users which will come to claim those badges to build their on-chain reputation and access incentives. Our business model is to define some protocol fees and a profit-sharing system managed through a DAO. Here is our competitor, so the idea is that EtherScore advantages are on the high degree of customizability and the openness and decentralization of the protocol. Our strategy is to build some strong partnerships to give benefits to badge holders, because for now the only badge solution are used to collect the badges. We really want to provide and build some reputation-based services. We will also be very community focused and start with airdrops to bootstrap our DAO. We started with a few hackathons and now we are closing our pre-seed round, and we will release the testnet version by the end of the year and the mainnet and ICO by the beginning of the next year. So thanks, and feel free to contact us for more detail or collaborations.